the peoples, if they want to find information, they look at the newspaper, print newspaper, formerly.
Good afternoon. Now we are in Tribun Timur. Tribun Timur is one of another biggest media in Eastern Indonesia, part of the national news network, Tribun Timur, and this is also Mr. Ronald. I will explain to them about us and what is our purpose to come here. Jadi Pak Ronald dan Kak Desi, teman-teman yang datang pada hari ini hadir ke sini dalam rangka program tahunan yang diadakan oleh Unhas, namanya International Cultural Program. Ini adalah program yang kedua kali. Tahun lalu kami juga mengadakan kegiatan mempelajari kebudayaan kita, mempelajari hal-hal yang berkaitan dengan kebudayaan, terutama kebudayaan lokal di Makassar. Kemudian
From Iraq.
from Iraq.
I'm Shahid from Bangladesh.
From Bangladesh.
I'm Yoyo from China.
China.
Ani from Japan.
I'm Michelle from Ecuador.
Even mistaken, we have one lady.
Especially, you know, the one that is so in, what is it called? Kincir angin, you know? Kincir angin. I don't know the name, but you're so interested seeing.
3, 2, 1.